So what's going on? Alright, so you guys have seen me, I've been doing a bunch of different things. Axing out spoon blanks, going ahead and creating bowls. But where's the talk about? Where's the walkthrough? What the hell's going on here? Well, here it is right now. So I'm going to slam this video together. It's only just going to be a couple minutes, but it's going to give you guys a bit of an eye-opener as to what I'm actually doing around here and the whole setup in order to get a bowl turned. Spoons are always ongoing, but these bowls, this is new and it's a lot of fun. I'm glad you guys are sticking around too, so let's check it out. First of all, get yourself some sharp tools. These tools are, the steel is from Slovenia, from a guy called David Madsen. He's on Instagram, good guy, fair price, and I got the centers for the pole lathe over here as well too. I handle them myself pretty jankily, but they're doing all right. I use a Dremel as well as an axe stone to sharpen, and they're like lightning, really sharp, good stuff. What I will do is I will grab a piece of wood, this being walnut, and I have a lot of walnut currently. I've got a lot more at my job that I got to bring home. I'm going to smack it in half and see if I can get a blank out of it. So I'll come over here and do a lot of the lug work. This is where the majority of the work actually comes down to. I found turning is easy, but this is the hard stuff, splitting the log and getting everything to shape. Once I get it to shape, I'll axe it down into a better form to be able to come over to the bandsaw, and then I'll cut it out into a circular form for now. Yes, I know I should be axing it out all the way, but it's a lot of work, and if I have a bandsaw ready, I'd rather do that instead. I will find the center point afterwards, and I will drill a hole, and then I will handle it with a mandrel, and I will show you guys right now. This is the bad boy. I had to set it up in the driveway. Mallet always off to the side, sort of hanging up there. Now these are wedges that hold the poppet together, and the centers have now just basically gone ahead and I put the bowl and mounted it up. I've strung it up right now with the bungee cord, and it's ready to go. That's it. There's not too much more going on when it comes to this type of thing. The mandrel again fits in there after I drill a hole. And I just have to sort of lean up here on this old, and that's it. I can just start going. So I got more bowls coming. I've got a lot more going on. There's a shot of my garbage and recycling, and I'm going to be turning quite a lot more. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's tuning in right now. Thank you for coming along for the ride. It's crazy, but it's a lot of fun. Thanks again. See you in the next one.